Welcome to our quick guide on how to make money on Payhip. In just 1 minute, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understanding Payhip. First, what is Payhip? It's an online platform that allows you to sell digital products directly to your audience. Whether it's ebooks, courses, music, or any digital file, Payhip makes it easy to set up your store and start selling. Step P2. Setting up your account. Next, create your Payhip account. Go to payhip.com, sign up with your email, and fill in your basic details. It's quick and free. Step 3. Adding your products. Now add your products. Click on Add New Product. Upload your digital file, set a price, and add a description. Make sure your description is clear and engaging to attract buyers. Step 4. Customizing your storefront. Customize your storefront to match your brand. Add a logo, a cover image, and personalize the layout. A professional-looking store can boost your sales. Step 5. Promoting your products. Promotion is key. Share your Payhip store link on social media, your website, and in your email newsletters. Use visuals and testimonials to highlight the benefits of your products. Step 6. Engaging with customers. Finally, engage with your customers. Respond to their questions, ask for feedback, and provide excellent customer service. Happy customers are more likely to buy again and recommend your products. And that's it. You're now ready to start making money on Payhip. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Happy selling. If there is any serious problem and you want urgent solution, then contact me directly via WhatsApp. My team will guide you. Thanks for watching.